The 12 animals forms are a fundamental aspect of Hsing-I Quan, an ancient Chinese martial art that emphasizes internal energy and the development of powerful, flowing movements. Each animal represents a unique set of movements, principles, and strategies that practitioners can embody. The forms are not just physical techniques, they also reflect the characteristics and behaviors of the animals, which can be applied in martial arts and daily life.